It's Tuesday, September 19th, 2019, and we're now experiencing the very outer edges of Tropical Storm Imelda, which just made landfall in Freeport, Texas. I'm here in West Houston on the banks of Buffalo Bayou. You can see this little inlet, Buffalo Bayou, down there. I'm going to go walk over to the bayou, the main body of the bayou, and see what the levels are like. This is expected to be about a 3-day event as this storm moves through the area. Probably not too much in the way of extremely high winds, but there is a great risk of flooding. You might recognize me from the Hurricane Harvey documentary I made. I'm still around. There's the bayou down there. During Harvey, at this point, this was all underwater where I'm standing right now. So we have a long way to go towards anything like that. It is quite overcast. You can kind of see dark areas. Clouds have been moving through. There's been periods of heavier rain. Right now it's pretty calm. Looks like someone lost their license plate. We're approaching the bridge over Buffalo Bayou on Briar Forest Drive. This bridge was overtopped during Harvey. I doubt it'll be overtopped during Imelda here, but you can see the plant growth is doing well. Here's a baseline look at Buffalo Bayou. We are on the northeast side of the storm. The storm is to the southwest of us, and of course the northeast or eastern side of a tropical storm or hurricane or depression is the rainy side, so that is a little bit cause for concern. There is some flash flood warnings. Houston always floods with any rain, really. So it's definitely something to be concerned about, and turn around, don't drown, and all that. Probably nothing too major, though, all in all. A lot of times there's eagles out here on Buffalo Bayou, but I don't see any at the moment. But maybe one will turn up and we'll get lucky. It is a little higher level Buffalo Bayou already, but this will be a good baseline. I'm hoping to come out here again tomorrow and Thursday, see what happens. These are the two drains I adopted as part of Houston's Adopt a Drain program. I'm just going to right quick check on them, make sure they're clear of all obstructions, clean up a little bit of this trash and stuff. We'll be all ready for Tropical Storm Imelda. So as you can see, not a whole lot has really happened just yet, but the main body of the storm is still a ways away to the southwest. We'll be headed this way though, so we'll see. September 18th now. It's been raining quite a bit. We're in a break now. You can see the water level has risen quite a bit out there though. Something just jumped into the water down there, but I'm not sure what. There have been chupacabra sightings though in this area. The rains have begun again. More of Imelda moving through Wednesday the 18th.
So as you can see and probably hear, we're experiencing a little bit of devastation here around Buffalo Bayou from Tropical Storm Imelda. We're just hoping and praying for the best right now, and send your thoughts out to us over here in Houston, because it could get bad, it could get nasty.
Here you can see the clouds from Imelda. Day 3, September 19th, 2019. Here we have a hawk. Getting ready for Imelda. He's finding a nice, cool, dry place. Might be looking for warblers. See more looming clouds rolling in. Probably get another big band of rain here soon. Starting to rain again here. You can see that pretty ominous cloud up to the north there. Just saw a flash of lightning. Haven't heard much thunder yet, but see the clouds are moving pretty fast. So we might be about to start flood again here. Thursday morning, mid-morning, 19th.
Yeah, we're sitting here watching some blue clouds come in. It's tropical depression. Looks nasty.
It's really coming down now here. This is Westchase area of West Houston. I imagine roads are pretty flooded. I know North Houston, it's pretty bad up there. We'll see how it goes. There's some wind, nothing too major. I think flooding's going to be the main thing. We'll just have to see how long this keeps up. There is some thunder and lightning too, so there is that to be keeping an eye on. It's getting pretty windy, pretty rainy here. Parking lot's pretty flooded. I'm just soaking wet. But here, this is probably the full brunt. It's pretty windy actually. Can't really see much, I guess. You would not want to be out driving in this. I need to get inside and dry my camera off before it malfunctions. Pouring off the edges there. impervious surfaces. Do you have any commentary?
I want to go home.
Oh. Let me try to film this.
And the wave, I like the wave.
It's really deep.
So don't park over there.
Whoa, dear. Dude, they're gonna crash. That car needs to get to high ground. I can't.
Watch out. The wave.
This is insane.
Well, we ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, this is... Till haze goes down, I wouldn't recommend anyone.
No.
I don't think I'd feel safe in my
No,
car.
I wouldn't. I'm staying here.
Over there.
Shit.
The ground is saturated. Building infrastructure. F minus. It's flooding pretty bad in our parking lot. All the water's pulling up. This is the apocalypse of 2019. Yeah, it's pretty wild. There we go.
Here's Hayes Road. Still looks like a river. Raining has slowed down. If you'll notice, you can see the whirlpools where drains are. Sort of a good sign that they're still draining. It's just so much water. Here's a salute to FedEx. They're out delivering. You can see some abandoned cars out the road. Someone's nice, what's that, a BMW? Something. Haven't seen any turtles just yet, but we'll see. Someone boldly attempting to leave. I was hoping I could sneak out while it's like this, but I don't know. We'll see. Got my feet wet, but oh well. It's major, you can see that's a, lifted pickup there. Gives you an idea about how deep it is. You can see that's about a sedan, so you're in a sedan. And there's another pickup over there, so it's just about up to the bottom of a pickup. There's two stalled cars there. Just kind of give you an idea how deep it is. There's Richmond. This is Richmond and Hayes. It does look not quite as deep there, but you can look at that pickup truck. It's pretty deep. Let's see how there are some sedans going through, like there's one there. So you might be able to manage on Richmond. Trouble's getting to Richmond. This car there was smart. They pulled up onto the sidewalk so they didn't get flooded. See if they can make it through. They didn't try.
Yeah, this is here's the line right here. We're walking it.
Floodwaters have receded significantly, so that's good.
Well, this looks not bad. No, I'm gonna be camping out for a while, I think.
Any of these cars, like, that were parked out here?
I mean, that's what they were saying on the news, is like, don't leave. The roads are flooded.
It's just everybody's trying to leave right now. Look at that.
Heading east on Westheimer, there's a lot of these blinking reds, but we're able to move here at 4 p.m. Just listening to some corn. I'm gonna walk over to the bridge now and see how the bayou is looking now compared to the other day. Coming up to the Briar Forest Bridge over Buffalo Bayou. See how high the bayou is now. All this rain will help the drought conditions. So that's the silver lining, I guess. Wow, look. Quite a bit higher now. There's a bald eagle up in that tree after all. Might not be able to see its head. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, we have bald eagles here at Buffalo Bayou in Houston. Pretty cool. He's hanging out, probably keeping an eye out for dead fish and stuff. There's more of the bald eagle. Just a small ornithological diversion. This is a, well, it would be an owl pellet, but there is a bald eagle just nearby. But you can see the bones of the different animals. Basically, the owl or whatever, you know, eats whatever, and then this is what gets in its gizzard, and it regurgitates this. So just sort of an interesting ornithological aside. There's another eagle perched up in that dead tree where they like to hang out. He's drying his wings off. Let's see what the bayou looks like now. It's quite a bit higher. Basically turned into a lake. You can see it's, you know, nowhere near Harvey levels. This was all completely underwater where I'm standing and higher up than that, but still, you know, quite a bit of water. Looks like I did lose power all is at work, but it's back now, so that's good.
This is the South Maid Creek Bayou between Psalms Road and Morton Road. It's about 2 feet from the bridge, so it's high. This is a local bayou in Katy. It's near Raintree Village. Filled up a lot.